I'm gonna try and get this without the dog going berserk. Probably should have left her home, but I don't like to come up here by myself, so I bring the dog with me. Yep, they're gonna pick, nope, they're going right by those. So interesting to watch them do this. Dog's good, but the minute they bang into each other, and there it goes. That's so nice to watch. Look at that. Wow, good engineer. Nice and smooth, Mr. Engineer. That's nice. One thing I don't want to do is drop my phone down there. I'll never see it again. Let's see, my guess. They're taking off those three. 1, 2, 3. And I'll bet they're unhitching them there. And they're going to leave them with these. And then they're going to pick up these. And I could be totally wrong. But I like to speculate and guess where they're going to go. I could hear them turning the little wheelie thing that they turn. I called that one. Now let's see if I'm right about them coming and hitching up with these and hauling that down south. Maybe I can walk over here. Yeah, walk this way, Nikki. Get another angle. See what they're doing. See, now you can see them going under the frog, the frog bridge there. That is the frog bridge. Keep going, Nick. See, the colors look pretty nice, even though they're garbage trucks. Colors look pretty nice in the sunset. Okay, my guess is they're going to back up into that. Oh, easy, Nikki. Hey, I think I called this one too. Yep. So whatever's in those hoppers, I think they're hoppers. I can't see them. Yep. Oh yeah, I called that one right too. All right, I'm just gonna watch them now.